Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, I remember myself the great Johnsonkeyz, still on our Yamaha PSR E473. Okay, so what this? I want to teach you how to play this. Right. Listen. Guys, okay, yeah, so this is PSI 473. Okay, first off, the style I'm using is Igbo I Life on the style, and that's on, you get that on 233. You get it on numbers 233, Igbo I Life, right? Right, so that's it. I'll quickly introduce you to my new piano tutorial, intermediate piano course, right? Over 2 hours where I taught you a lot of stuff that will take you just to mastery that level you've always wanted to get on piano. I've done a course over 2 hours that will take you there, and there's a discount on it presently for the first 50 people, and it's almost complete. I just said I should tell you this. The price is 3,500 for people in Nigeria, $10 for people abroad, right? 3,500 for people in Nigeria, $10 for people abroad. That's the discount price for the first 50 people. Now we are in the grace period, so you can see the syllabus is on the screen. You need to get that very, very fast, very fast, because after we get once the grace period is passed, we'll take it to the normal price. We'll take the price to the normal price, and that will just be fine, because the tutorial, the cost is still more valuable than these prices. And I mean what I'm saying. I've started getting testimonies from various people that have gotten this. So check the comment section for how to get this. God bless you. Right, so the voice I'm using also is the recorder, right? So I'm using the recorder also. Okay, so I'm in the key of F, right? Sorry, let me change the voice back. Why is it get very low? Alright. So that's the key of F. Whew. Alright, so I'm doing the 1 4 5 4 1 4 5 4 1 4 5 4 1 4 5 4. Right, so let me show you now what I'm playing. Okay, yeah, of course I've already started showing you what I'm playing. Yeah, for people who are following. Okay, so I just said 1 4 5 4 1. So that's the chord progression first off to notes. Okay, so the second thing now is that I'm using these chord voices. The first one is F. The first one is F major, but the second, the first inversion. So we have F A C, we have A C F. So that's what I'm using for 1. So then I'm using B flat major, B flat, D and F. That's for 4. Then for 5, I'm using C major, but the second inversion. So we have a C major, C G, E G C first inversion. Then the second inversion is G, C and E, right? So that's it. So together, so it goes. So the right hand is going on 1 4 5 4 1 4 5 4 1 4. Most times I don't also play the fourth chord, the second the chord, B flat chord. Sometimes I just do B flat and D. I don't have the F. So when I'm on 1, when I go to 4, so most times I don't have the F for the 4. Okay, so that's that. So but that's just going 1 4 5 4 1. So the person that is actually bringing the rhythm is now your left hand. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I was not playing that. So now the left hand also is doing a very nice job. Is doing right for your 1. Is it for the 4? Is it same chord, pretty like same chord, right? So but is doing it like in the arpeggio way, right? It's in the arpeggio way, so it goes let me play the beat. Okay. So it goes the so that's like what the left hand is doing. So together, let's take it up, right? Okay, so it goes practicals, I will follow that second part. Hey, go to 6, 2, then 5, 1. So you can do your 1, the dominant 7 chord. God bless you. Subscribe for many more. Bye.